Good morning. I am Professor Ajay Joshi, and today we will discuss space lattice, Bravais lattice, and crystal system. Okay. So first, space lattice and units. So space lattice can be defined as three-dimensional array of points, each of which has identical surrounding. A space lattice is an array of points showing how particles, atoms, ions, or molecules are arranged at different sites in three-dimensional space. Whereas a unit cell may be defined as the smallest repeating unit in a space lattice, which, when repeated over again, result in a crystal of a given substance. So in this image you can see this is the space lattice. This complete is the space lattice, which is three-dimensional. This is dimension number 1, this is dimension number 2, and this is dimension number 3. So three-dimensional array of points. These are the points. So these points are the atoms. Okay, these are the atoms. So three-dimensional array of atoms, okay, is known as a space lattice. And if you can see this cube, okay, this is cube, and you will see this cube is repeating multiple time here. Okay, so only if I draw this cube and if I make this cube multiple time or repeat it multiple time, or if I make the pattern of this cube, then I will get this space lattice. Okay, so this is known as a unit cell. Okay, this is my unit cell, and if I repeated this unit cell multiple time, if I make this rectangular array, this is the rectangular array in x direction, in z direction, okay, or in y direction, in z direction, then we will get space lattice. So unit cell may be defined as the smallest repeating unit in a space lattice. Okay, so this is completely space lattice, and this is the unit cell in this space lattice. So this is unit cell, and these are the alpha, beta, gamma. These are the angles. These are the space parameter, lattice parameters, or these are the lattice parameters alpha, beta, gamma. And you can see this is the L, M, and N. Okay, or A, B, and C. These are the space or lattice parameters. So difference between space lattice and unit cell. This is the space lattice, and this small element is unit cell, which is repeating multiple times. So you can see A, B, and C are the lattice parameters. These are the alpha, beta, and gamma. These are also lattice parameters, which are the angles between this lattice parameters. Then Bravais lattice. So Bravais has discovered 14 lattice structures. So unit vector ABC called lattice parameters. The angle between them is alpha, beta, gamma. So 14 kind of 3D lattices known as Bravais lattice. So these are the some types of Bravais lattice structures. So first one is cubic type of structures, whereas in cubic type of structures A, B, and C, okay, this is A, B, and C are same. Okay, so in cube you know that A, B, and C are same. Okay, and alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90. So the angle between them is also 90. So by this there are three types of structures: simple cubic, SC, then body centered cubic, BCC, and face centered cubic structure, FCC, where A equal to B equal to C and angle between them is equal to 90. Okay, then second type is tetragonal, okay, where A is equal to B but not equal to C. You can see A and B are same but is not equal to C. Here also A and B same and C equal to C is greater than A and B. And whereas alpha and beta and gamma are equal to 90. The angle between them is 90. So this is called tetragonal type of crystals. So these are the units. Okay, So unit cells, so simple tetragonal first one and body center tetragonal BCT. So there are two types tetragonal. Okay, so here 5 types is covered. Then next is orthorhombic, where A is not equal to B and B is not equal to C, means all three lengths are different, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90, means angle between them are 90. So in this category there are 4 unit cells: simple orthorhombic, body center orthorhombic, and base center orthorhombic, and face centered orthorhombic. Okay, so this 5 plus 4 9. Okay, and then monoclinic. In monoclinic, A is equal to B, A is not equal to B and not equal to C, and alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90, but beta is not equal to 90. Okay, so in this category there are two types of unit cells: simple monoclinic and base centered monoclinic. So the 9 plus 2 11 types has been covered here. Then rest are 3. First one is rhombohedral, okay, where A equal to B equal to C, but angles are different. A is equal to B is equal to 90 and gamma is not equal to 90. In hexagonal type of system or unit cell, A is equal to B but not equal to C, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90, but gamma is not equal to 90, it is equal to 120. In a triclinic, no parameter is same. Okay, means A is not equal to B and not equal to C, and alpha is not equal to beta and not equal to gamma and not equal to 90, means all parameters are different here in triclinic. So 11 plus 3 14. So all 14 types of Davis structure are covered here. Then there are several types of pattern in which metallic atoms can be arranged themselves on solidification, but the most common is an body center type of cells, then face centered cubic, then hexagonal closely packed type of unit cells. So this is the structure of BCC unit cell. Okay, the examples of this BCC structure metals are chromium, molybdenum, niobium, and tungsten and iron. This is the unit cell of face centered cubic structure metal. So aluminum, copper, lead, then nickel, iron, gold, and silver comes under the FCC category. You will notice here iron comes in FCC as well as in BCC. Okay, we will discuss why it comes in both category. And the third one is hexagonally closely packed. Okay, this is the unit cell of HCP, and beryllium, cadmium, magnesium, and zinc comes under this HCP unit cell. So thank you for watching.